We're waiting for the framers, and let's have some fun. Technically, I have got a ton of work to do, but this just seems a little bit more fun. Hashtag, yes, this is my own tool belt. I technically haven't worn it in like 3 years. Hashtag, do you think they'll let me use my own hammer? Hashtag, that moment you realize you really weren't part of the work crew. Hashtag, always have fun. Hashtag, we're done. Welcome to week. What week is it?
20!
20! And oh my gosh, a lot has happened. Yes, a lot.
Yeah, a lot.
Week 20, and people, we got another load of lumber. Like, a lot of lumber. How much does it take to build a house? Anyways, this truck driver, I like how he was so concerned about the workers and being able to make sure that they could pull their trucks up and work and get the lumber that they needed first. And he was like, restacked everything and restacked it again so that all the like items were together. Yeah, he was very nice. So, because homeowners are responsible for keeping the site clean, they do an amazing job. I mean, they really pick up after themselves, but there are some pipes and some things that we need to pick up, and I've picked those up, even in the rain. So I have the magnet to pick up the nails. I have a bucket that I'm keeping all of the nails that I find in, because, you know, those can be recycled. And I'm sweeping the water that has puddled in here from the last few rains that we had down to towards where the drain is. And when the workers put the floor on today, hopefully I will get very little wet water underneath. For when they put the roof on and they side the house, you want to start drying it out quickly, and the faster that the underneath is dry, the faster the rest of the house is dry. I've lost my glove. Have you seen my glove? How do you lose a glove? Well, what am I saying? It's me. I can see where a little bit of construction knowledge would have been helpful. I did not realize they were going to be putting black plastic down the whole entire underside. Can totally understand seeing now the reasoning for the black plastic. It keeps the underneath drier. I can see that. However, I wish I would have known that before, because when I came down here, I was like, oh, when they put the floor on and the joists up, I'll come through and sweep everything, and just before the floor gets on, I'll clean all the dirt and the debris. But now they put the black plastic down. But I didn't remove the concrete that was piled up and kind of clumped up in some spots. Not everywhere, just in some spots. I didn't remove that. Now I'm kind of sitting here going, gosh, I really wish I would have removed that, because it would have made sweeping a lot easier, and I didn't take the magnet thing and get all the nails that were underneath. So now when I put my magnet down, I'm finding where the nails are. This is a house that's going to be around for longer than me. Let's just say, God willing, longer than me. Take the extra time to pay attention to those things. I really thought I was waiting for it. Just before they put this sheeting, I was going to come and clear all this out. So I got to get going, because I think they're scheduled to be here today, and I want to get this done before they get here. So I have 2 more sections. I got 6 of these buckets filled to this level. Oh, we still have 2 more screws to get. This is why I love the magnetic puller. I actually found 4 nails. I was only looking for 1, and I'm so glad I did a super sweep, because as soon as I found 2, I knew you just got to do the whole side of the house. This is why a magnet is so important. Right now, it has saved 4 flat tires. workers should be here today. And I'm going to say that's probably not going to happen. So if it rains, it rains. I consider this practice for sweeping out my basement. Woo! It's been a busy day. I think everything's pretty much clean.
This won't do. No, no, no. I swept you guys. You are not allowed up here. Back to the driveway you go. Boom. Yeah, not allowed. Nice and clean. Carry on.
Hello? Hey, Roger? Oh, really? Cool, I'm outside doing some filming. Awesome! Thanks, sir. Bye. So, Roger just called and said they'll be here in 30 minutes. Yay! To deck the floor. Because that's an awful lot of water I swept out yesterday, and we're supposed to get 3 to 8 inches of rain starting tonight.
30 minutes and we get a floor. So that's what we have, folks. I'm laying on the walls right now. Framers on their way, 30 minutes away. Woohoo! I wonder if they need help. I should go get my tool belt and help them. So when they drive up in the driveway, I'll have my tool belt on and I'll say, I'm ready to help. And my nail gun, choo, 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 pew, pew, pew. We need to do that. They're here. I'm so excited. Let's see if they'll let us video the first board being put up.
Is what 3.5 hours of framing will do. Totally excited. So excited. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a floor. Middle of week 20. What does it feel like? All these months, all these weeks, all these years that we have waited for a house. Feels darn good, I'm telling you. Feels absolutely darn good. I may not have walls or a roof or toilets or a sink or a bed, room, but it feels good. Feels absolutely amazing to have the floor. Ha! As with everything, I need to send this to my husband, so hold on 1 second. Because this is just awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, week 20. This is week 20. Do you think we should get walls? I don't know. Kind of like the view from here. Might be a little bit smelly when the cars pull in. Yeah, I think we should at least get a roof. As with every good build, there is always a cleaner-upper, and that would be me. I got serious cleanup to do, so I gotta turn you off. I got serious, like picking up stuff. It's really nothing big. It's like no major stuff. I just have to pick it up before it gets really dark because I'm losing light and I need to go get my headlamp. Bye, you guys.
Last I looked, like less than an hour ago, it had to have been maybe an hour ago, there were no walls up. None. Oh, this is just awesome. Look at that. Wow. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh, they forgot the door. That's probably not their fault. So we added a door at the last minute. I think we've talked about it. I'm so excited. Let's go in. Mags! Mags! Come on! Come on! No, we're not going down there. You know that. You're not allowed down there. Wow, she's really freaking out. Let's go in the garage door. Oh my goodness. I don't even know where to because, oh my, I don't know how to explain the joy that is God is good, very good. And we waited 9 years for this. 9 years. 9 years for a dream. 9 years of trying to figure out when our turn was gonna be. 9 years. And my dog is somewhere out there. Oh. Thank you, Hiline. Thank you. I have no other words. I have none. Except for I gotta go find my dog. And I need to pick up nails. Because I'm a nail girl. I have 4 walls. And dirt on my face.
Mags! Mags! Maggie! Maggie! Oh, Mags. Oh, there you are. Oh, young lady, you scare the daylights out of me.
It's Saturday. They haven't come. I think they were going to, but who knows? They can come whenever. It's Saturday. It's Saturday. But I wanted to, it's Saturday. I came out here to do the cleanup. Last night it was pouring down rain, massive storm, and I took a gamble that they wouldn't be here early, and I'm glad they weren't. I just finished. It's 10 o'clock. It's our job to pick up all the nails, and I love it because it gives me a chance to see where the construction and to overlook every inch of this house. But I want to go over some things that I love. So here we go. Things I love. I love the privacy of the window of the living room. I love how big the dining room window is. And I love that when I turn and I look, I will see, not the trash can, that will be gone, but I'll see a patio and a garden. And I love that as I'm sitting at the dining room table, that I am going to see this. I love that. Privacy, beauty. I love the view I'm going to have while I'm on the treadmill running. I love that. I love that right now I can walk through walls. Want to see that again? I'm walking through walls. I love that. I love how my father-in-law just came. See now why I love the door that opens up and I can see who's driving up. I love that. Why, say hello, father-in-law. He's come to check the job site.
All right, turn that thing off.
Ooh,
Oh.
You enter the job site and you automatically get the potty mouth.
Welcome to week 20.
20.
Oh my gosh!
Will you look at the thing behind me?
That thing has a story. That wall will forever have a story in our world. Yes, that wall will forever have a story.
Did you get video of that?
I did get video of that. You were with me. We watched it happen.
Yeah, but I still can't believe it. Did you get video
Our
of that?
framers are bad. Can I say that
Bad?
on you?
They're bad?
No, they're like, I can't say that word, but they're
Rad?
They're
rad. They're like awesome. They're like every word that means,
are we-
oh my gosh, totally amazing.
I was just gonna say, are we looking for good words or bad words here?
Good words.
Okay, good words.
You and I both were in the kitchen inside the cottage going, oh my gosh, are they really gonna do that? Oh my gosh.
Well, we were surprised that they showed up anyway.
Right? Okay, it was like a little hurricane.
Yeah, well, half a hurricane.
Half a hurricane force winds.
38-mile-an-hour winds with sideways rain.
They raised this wall
Against the wind.
against 38-mile-per-hour wind.
What else is on our list? Tell them.
Oh my gosh, there's so much. Okay, so this is like the week that I am going, I must have my planner with me at all times because I am like documenting when people are here, what they've done and everything. And this is the week that I am like, seriously, oh my gosh. So we got the first 4 walls of the house, first floor, the 4 walls of the house up. Mm-hmm. The interior walls started.
Yep.
I am now the official cleanup girl. I pick up all the nails. You come home every night and I'm wearing a headlamp and I'm walking around the yard with 2 magnets and buckets and I'm picking up all the wood and I have film footage of this. So they did the floor one day and then they came back and they did the 4 walls and some of the interior, and then the next day in like massive wind. It was Friday, we had that massive wind, sideways rain, and they're like out there working, and I'm sitting in the house going, oh my gosh, should they really be working in this? And I'm like
She
texting.
called their their boss.
I texted Roger, is this really safe? We have like massive wind storms and they're not, and people, they're telling people to stay home today and they're out here working. And he's like, oh yeah, the crew is awesome. And I'm like freaking out. And he's like, I'll be there in a little bit. And he came out and kind of calmed me down. You told me to just knock it off. So it's the end of week 20, and what's going to be coming in week 21, I'm going to guess is going to be the second floor and more deliveries. We had
Always more deliveries.
always more deliveries. We had
Many more deliveries.
Yes, we had massive deliveries in week 20.
Daily.
Yeah, almost daily. And week 21 is a week with Christmas in it, so I'm not really expecting a lot to be done because that's Christmas week.
I am, because of the magic of Christmas.
The magic of Christmas. Okay, you guys, bye for now. Say goodbye to your lovely fans.
Goodbye, lovely fan.
Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell to be notified of any videos that we release. We love having you around. We appreciate you. Bye, you guys.
Mags, what you up to, babe? One should always have an escape plan in their basement on how to get around. It's like so fun. That's the building inspector. He's inspecting. Oh, you gonna sign permits? You building permit licker.
Smells good. Smells like wood.
Must have a clean job site.
Oh, there he is. He's back.
I found my glove. I just wanted to let you know so you weren't worried sitting at your desk or having coffee and worried all day and praying that my glove is found. I found my glove. Let's get working.
They call them pneumatic nailers. I know, because I actually own some.
Hi, I'm here to help. Because, you know, you don't want to look like an idiot, right? You just want to practice. Because it could be dangerous if you dropped it and it didn't land in its pouch. I don't have any drill bits in it. Nothing. I don't even know. No. But I do know how to use it. Smells like a house. This wood is wet because now I am totally wet. Oh my gosh, it's cold. I can't even tell my husband because he's at work. And my phone doesn't work. Ah!
Enjoy life and have fun in the process. If you can't have fun in the process, what good is the process? Beautiful overcast day in the Pacific Northwest, I tell you. Bald eagles flying above us. This will probably be the only time I can say I'm laying on the walls. I'm also getting my hair fully covered in sap. I'm okay.
Can you imagine? This is the view. when we're running on the treadmill. I think the treadmill should be right there.
Hey, I've been squeegeeing water all day, all morning. I'm soaking wet. I bet I could squeegee water out of my pants.
Where are you?
I'm
not
right
seeing you
here.
in the video.
Here I am. Here I am.
Are you sure?
Yes, you've got the camera, which means I'm the comedic relief this time.
Whatever.
So you talk and I get to interrupt you, and I get to go. Woo, woo, woo.
Doesn't look good on you.
It's harder than it looks, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's harder than it looks.
Do we like looking up at the camera?
It's better. It gets rid of our second chin.
I have second chin.
No, but I probably do. Baking. It's hard, huh?
Yeah.
I make it look very easy, huh?
Why don't we have a tripod?
Because it's on my wish list.
Dang.
I know.
Somebody should have that to the light.
Yeah, I know.